Okay, this will be for the con assignment, exponential versus linear models. I took some notes here on the right-hand side as far as linear versus exponential. A linear model increases or decreases by the same amount each time. Okay, so you can see the graph will just be a straight line. Okay, remember the word linear contains the word line. So the graph is just a straight line. An exponential will increase or decrease by the same multiple or percentage each time. So the graph is going to look like a curve. All right. So the table gives the average mass of a sunfish after it is born. Okay, I think for all of these, this will be the X column and this will be the Y column on the right. Okay, the X column, I'm pretty sure it will increase by the same amount each time. So you can just make sure if you want to, but these are all going to be plus 5. Okay, now let's look at the Y column. We can just estimate 19 minus 3, so that goes up by 16. 106 minus 20, that's going to be 86. Okay, so you can see it's not increasing by the same amount each time. So for this one, it's either linear or expo, and it's definitely not linear. So this one's going to be exponential. Okay, and here we're looking at the graph. So we know the graph is going to be a curve. Okay, I'm not saying it's always going to curve up. In some cases, it may curve down. Okay, but exponential is always going to be a curve. The graph is a curve. All right, so here you go. It's either A or B. And it's definitely B. It's definitely a curve. There's no other answers. So I think these are all the same. Okay, here, Fidel has a coin worth $5.50. Each decade, the coin increases by 10%. Okay, so we said before, if it goes up or down by the same percentage each time, that makes it exponential. Okay. All right. Table represents the number of burgers sold by a restaurant. So let's see. You can see everything here goes up by 3 each time. So we don't have to worry about that. On the right, I'm seeing that it increases by about, I'm just going to estimate it's about 350 each time. Okay, so this one is definitely linear. Okay, so that means the graph is going to be a line. Okay, they're going to ask you the graph here. So it's either A or B. Has to be A. All right. Every year, 39 million cars cross the Golden Gate Bridge. What kind of function models the relationship between time and cumulative number of cars? Okay, so if you're going cumulative, you're adding 39 million cars every year. You're just adding the same amount every year. That's going to be linear. All right, so this one's pretty easy. For all of these, it's going to be linear or exponential.